injured condition on court.
What's wrong with Chapman?
He's done his abductor. Managed to find his feet at the receiver's end. Oh, great hands.
That's it, 1 and 2.
Oh, it's a great shot.
Earlier not been feeling too well
15
in the
all.
middle part of the week, so maybe he's still recovering from that a little bit. I don't know.
Not feeling too well is a slight understatement there.
Ferocious man. What a change, I'd say. I think most people would have had
Almost certainly, yeah.
Riviere, Chapman as favourites in this one so far. It's been Rob commanding the court, Ben very solid. A bit hit and miss from the receivers.
I'd be shocked too.
Bit of a stunned silence.
It's a set score.
I think this is a big game.
Another great match. Yeah, really catching him off guard as well. Down the middle. Yeah.
Always give us someone else.
Deuce.
Fantastic. Earlier this morning that it was actually his 45th Open title. Fantastic lead in the 5-all game.
Stay alive in the set.
And lead-ons.
Better than 6.
Interesting bounce there. It's gone Pretty simple.
15-40.
6, here we go. Oh, it's all good.
Lost a chase better than last.
Pretty gingerly up to that short one up at chase 6.
You thought it was going to lead. Could be an out. Oh, it stayed in. Oh, it's all good.
There they go.
Love it. Fantastic grab.
Would that be possibly a slight oversight on the behalf of Cam and Chappie there?
There's a few factors in play. Chris have got the left-right hand dynamic, so at the receiver's end.
40 love.
Patrick Dunn, I feel this is going to 5. There is every chance. Especially if it's playing like that.
Yeah. Service pair. First game of the set.
Stroke.
Well
First
found.
specs.
Well, not quite.
Be nice, wouldn't it? Great court coverage from Camden.
Wow, fantastic volley.
That much from that first set. In Cameron Chappie's favour. So.
This set. Wow.
Service. Time, please. Advantage service.
Second set point. Wow.
And there's a second set.
Fantastic get by Chappie.
Fantastic dodge by Chapman.
Last gallery.
Mine's last gallery. Looking from well, the lack of success from the previous set and changing it up.
Lovely shot from Cam. Chapman.
Yeah.
I think that answer of mine there is more for the standard net. What a performance. Very dialed in.
Out on the black for this one. Good pickup from Ben and Cam.
Lovely shot. Rob missing the signature there.
Looks whether that was targeted or just really trying to get the response that they wanted. Bit loose. Chappie opting to hit it and
Cam.
Right, they'll leave it.
And the set at the 6th time of ask. Well done, Ben.
That's a great shot from Chapman. Next shot cost them the game.
just tagged Ben there. Absolutely
15-30.
tagged.
Into the top
Worse than
5
last.
in open tournaments. The mullet serve from Chapman's proving not very effective.
15 love.
There's smiles all around at the moment.
It's 4-2 up.
Sets.
It's, as I said, there's a not zero chance, Jackson. Oh, and the mullet winner. Out. Oh, and it's a great shot from Chapman.
Smacked it.
Worse than 3. Game in the 4th set. 6 games.
First time in the tournament, to 5.
Matthews and Fahey get the choice of receiver.
5th and final set.
Well found.
Classy points. A great hand shown by the second most tattooed man in real
40
tennis.
love.
We'll use my sweatband and bite into it and speak to my sweatband.
Oh, that's a great rest. Not necessarily the fastest in the game, but certainly one of the most accurate.
Start after this. Accuracy. Very astute man. Oh, hand. On the screen for us at some point soon, I'm sure.
Oh, that is just dirty. This juice is definitely going to favour them.
Never in doubt. Never looked like missing that one.
Advantage.
Bless you.
Too time for a sneeze.
Riviere.
Game.
There we have it.
Set. And the match. 5-6. 6-1. 6 love. 3-6. 6 love.
Ladies and gentlemen,